Forex trading. You've seen your mother, you've seen your brother, you've seen influencers, you have seen Forex trading all over the place. And in this video, I am going to show you how we are making millions using just our phone. So, come I show you. This is the one app that we use and it's called MetaTrader. When you click it like that, I am going to show you a tutorial on exactly how MetaTrader works. So step one, down here, we have quotes. So quotes are the pairs that you are trading. So for me, I only trade one pair and it's called NDX 100. It's this last pair here. So you can pick whichever. I recommend you go with NDX 100 if you are to use my strategy. Then below that is chart. Now, chart shows you these candles. And it's candles that will determine whether you are going to make money or not. So all of these arrows are trades that we've taken, trades that we've been taking. And if you go far long enough, you are going to see all of this. After that, we have trade. So trade is where it shows you how much you have. For me, I have right now, this is a $5,000 account. Then you can go to history. Now, history shows you the profits and losses that you make. So, how do you make money now? If you look at the overall trades, there are many reds, there are many blues. These are all profits and losses. However, this is just like any other business. So if we look at here, we can see the initial deposit is $5,000. And so far, here, we have withdrawn $591 despite all these negatives and positives. So what we usually do is that at the end of every 2 weeks, we look at the trades we've taken and we look at the profits. So if we've taken 10 trades, we have 5 losses and 5 winners. You'll find that the winners outweigh the losses. So the balance is what you withdraw. So what I want to show you is some of the settings that you need. So for example, right now we are in a very bearish move. So if you want to take a trade right now, what exactly do? You come here to trade. Then you click this plus button. If you are using, I'm assuming everybody's using an iPhone. If you're not using an iPhone, probably your situation is where you will have to slide, something like that. Anyway, you come here and it shows you, first of all, up here, it shows you the pair. Now this, you have to look at this. So if you click this here, you'll see these are all the pairs that I have. So I am interested in my NDX 100. Then we have market execution. So these are the types of orders that we have. Market execution means that you are buying at this particular price. So for example, if I want to buy, then I will buy at 23,223 instantly right now. Or if I want to sell, it's 23,222 right now. Now, we also have buy limit. Now, buy limit means that you are waiting for price to reach a certain level in order for you to buy. And also sell limit is the same thing in opposite. You are waiting for price. For example, if we look at the chart here, you can say that I want to buy when price comes down here. So you can put a buy limit here, or you want to sell when price comes up here. You can put a sell limit there. Let's go back to trade. Let's look at the different types of orders. Next, we have buy stop and sell stop. So buy stop means that you want to trade in the direction of the trend. So for example, right now we are very bearish. So you, instead of waiting for market execution, you can say when price reaches this level and passes it, sell. So in that direction, that is where sell stops are going. So if it's a buy stop, it means price is already buying. So once it reaches at a certain price, you buy. And then what is the last order? If we look here, we have sell limits, buy stop, buy limit, sell limit. Now we usually use market execution because for us, we are scalpers. We look at the market right now and determine what's happening right now. For example, let me take a trade right now. So we are going to use 0.01 because this is not my normal trading time. I want to show you the tools that are on MetaTrader. So I am going to sell. Now once I sell, you see already here we are in, this is the trade we are in right now. However, look at the balance. We are at 4,928. We have to protect our money because if I am selling and price decides to go up, then obviously I am in some deep trouble because I am losing money. If price is going down and I have sold, that is why I am in profit right now. So there are two things that are very important. You come here and modify position. So now we have stop loss and then we have take profit. And in fact, if you want to add it, you just come and touch the trade like that. Down here, there is close, SL and TP. So when you touch SL, it means stop loss. And stop loss is just an order to your broker telling them that if price reaches where? Now my stop loss will be above that candle. And then you click this arrow like that. So let's put it again, stop loss. And then you click this arrow. And then you modify. Now we have our stop loss. If we touch the stop loss, it shows us how much we are risking. And for us, we are risking negative $0.73, which is just like $1. So once you know how much you are risking, then you know your target. Because if I am risking 73 cents, then obviously then the next target, I want to make twice this. So I'll go to take profit and I am going to push it up to 1.5. So 75 times 2, that's 150. And then we come and modify like that. Now, we have three lines here now. We have the entry price, we have stop loss, and we have take profit. So if price goes against me, I lose. If price goes towards my direction and hits my target, I win. So that is how we've been able to catch all these moves. So sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. However, since we are risking 1 to make 2, then that means provided we have a strategy that has over 50% win rate, we still make 50% of our account if we are risking. You get the math. If you are getting twice what you are risking, then obviously you are making money. So basically, those are the things that you need on MetaTrader to start making money. So right now, I'm just going to close this position because it's not my time to trade. So hopefully you got value from this video. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.